Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, I'm going to show you how to leave a community on Roblox. Whether you've joined a group by mistake or just don't want to be a part of it anymore, I'll guide you through the step. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account and then go ahead and click on More at the bottom right. Now in the expanded options, click on Communities. Under Communities, you'll be able to see the group or the community that you've joined. Go to the top right corner and tap the three dot right next to the community, and in the pop-up, click on Leave Community. Click on Yes in the pop-up to make sure, and that's how you can easily leave a community you don't want to be a member of in Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.